Genesis chapter 43. Now great famine was in the land, and when they had eaten up the victuals which they had brought from Egypt, their father said unto them, Turn again, and buy us a little food. And Judah answered him, saying, The man charged us by an oath, saying, Never see my face, except your brother be with you. If thou wilt send our brother with us, we will go down and buy thee food. But if thou wilt not send him, we will not go down. For the man said unto us, Look me not in the face, except your brother be with you. And Israel said, Wherefore dealt ye so evil with me, as to tell the man whether ye had yet a brother or no? And they answered, The man asked straitly of ourselves and of our kindred, saying, Is your father yet alive? Have ye any brother? And we told him according to these words. Could we know certainly that he would say, Bring your brother down? Then said Judah to Israel his father, Send the boy with me, that we may rise and go, and that we may live and not die, both we and thou, and our children. I will be surety for him. Of mine hand shalt thou require him. If I bring him not to thee, and set him before thee, then let me bear the blame forever. For except we had made this tarrying, doubtless by this we had returned the second time. Then their father Israel said unto them, If it must needs be so now, do thus. Take of the best fruits of the land in your vessels, and bring the man a present, a little rosin, and a little honey, spices and myrrh, nuts and almonds. And take double money in your hand, and the money that was brought again in your sacks' mouths, carry it again in your hand, lest it were some oversight. Take also your brother, and arise, and go again to the man. And God Almighty gives you mercy in the sight of the man, that he may deliver you your other brother, and Benjamin. But I shall be robbed of my child, as I have been. Thus the men took this present, and took twice so much money in their hand with Benjamin, and rose up, and went down to Egypt, and stood before Joseph. And when Joseph saw Benjamin with them, he said to his steward, Bring these men home, and kill meat, and make ready, for the men shall eat with me at noon. And the men did as Joseph bade, and brought the men unto Joseph's house. Now when the men were brought into Joseph's house, they were afraid, and said, Because of the money that came in our sacks' mouths at the first time are we brought, that he may pick a quarrel against us, and lay something to our charge, and bring us in bondage and our asses. Therefore came they to Joseph's steward, and communed with him at the door of his house, and said, O sir, we came indeed down hither at the first time to buy food. And as we came to an inn, and opened our sacks, behold, every man's money was in his sack's mouth, even our money in full weight. But we have brought it in our hands. Also other money have we brought in our hands to buy food. But we cannot tell who put our money in our sacks. And he said, Peace be to you, fear not. Your God, and the God of your father, hath given you that treasure in your sacks. I had your money. And he brought forth Simeon to them. So the man led them into Joseph's house, and gave them water to wash their feet, and gave their asses provender. And they made ready their present against Joseph came at noon. For they heard say that they should eat bread there. When Joseph came home, they brought the present into the house to him, which was in their hands, and bowed down to the ground before him. And he asked them of their prosperity, and said, Is your father the old man of whom ye told me in good health? Is he yet alive? Who answered, Thy servant our father is in good health, he is yet alive. And they bowed down and made obeisance. And he, lifting up his eyes, beheld his brother Benjamin, his mother's son, and said, Is this your younger brother of whom ye told me? And he said, God be merciful unto thee, my son. And Joseph made haste, for his affection was inflamed toward his brother, and sought where to weep, and entered into his chamber, and wept there. Afterward he washed his face, and came out, and refrained himself, and said, Set on meat. And they prepared for him by himself, and for them by themselves, and for the Egyptians which did eat with him by themselves, because the Egyptians might not eat bread with the Hebrews, for that was an abomination unto the Egyptians. So they sat before him, the eldest according unto his age, and the youngest according unto his youth, and the men marveled among themselves. And they took meats from before him, and sent to them. But Benjamin's meat was 5 times so much as any of theirs. And they drank, and had of the best drink with him.